Hello everyone, welcome back with the third regular puzzle. The third regular puzzle is a Jigsaw Sudoku, aka Tectonic. In today's newspaper on Thursday, February the 1st, 2024, tomorrow, the first Friday of the month, we have a speed test. Don't remember a speed test? Then you can check if your skills uh, um, are improved. Yeah. Anyway, today 3 regular puzzles. 2 of them I've already solved. The 3 and the 4 stars Sudoku. In this newspaper we have also for the evening extra puzzles. 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them we have 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve in the evening, but now the regular puzzles, this one. And the news of today, well, I've heard that Lewis Hamilton will join the Ferrari team. All right, so he will stop driving for Mercedes. There's quite a shock. Yeah. News. All right. This one. Jigsaw Sudoku number. This will be number 7915. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. 16 printed digits. Should be an easy one because the hard ones has always 8, 9, or 10 printed digits. This one has 16. All right. So I think could be a 1 star, could be a 0 stars. 1 star, you need to be faster than 15 minutes. 0 stars, faster than 14, maybe 30 minutes. All right, so let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box? Because the single box or boxes is always a 1. Here single box, there single box, always a 1. Next question, do we have here dual boxes? I see here dual box contains the 1 and the 2. Well, this box can be a 2, so the 2 should be here and the 1 goes there. More dual boxes? No. Triple boxes then. I have here a triple box, contains the 1, the 2, and 3. Well, this box can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. This box can be 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. Alright. And when you see a triple box, remember that the box near the middle box, the inside box, is always 4 or a 5. Well, we have a 4 here in the same area, so this box should be a 5 then. Next question, do we have quadra boxes? Yeah, a couple of quadra boxes I've seen. Well, there's only one. This is the quadra box. These 3 boxes surround the 2 can be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 should be there. These 3 boxes surround the 3 can be a 3, so 1 box left for the 3 should be there. So the 1 and the 4 are left. Okay. Only 1 quadra box, not couple, but 1. Then my next strategy is to recognize some shapes, some figures, structures, or constructions. For example, this shape. Let me draw the shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. Yeah, this shape. This box has the same number as that box. Do we have more of this kind of shapes? Yeah. Here another one. This box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 4 here. Here also. In this case, it's a 4 here. Here another one, but rotated. This box has the same number as that box. Okay. And here another one. This box has the same number as that box. Then the following shape. How about this kind of shape? Alright. When you see this kind of shape, this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 1 here. Yeah, so this box has the same number as that box. Do we have more of these kind of shapes? Yeah. This one rotated. This box has the same number as that box. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here only, we have here only two of those kind of shapes that you need to recognize, that you need to recognize, yes. Maximum 6, not in this puzzle. In this puzzle we have only 2 that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get starting filling those numbers. Alright, these 2 boxes can be a 1, that box can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be here. These 2 boxes surround the 1 can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be here. Then this box can be 1, that box can be 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be here. This box can be a 1, that box can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be here. Then let me see. These 3 boxes surround the 1 can be 1, that box can be 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be here. These 2 boxes can be a 1, that box can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be here. Then, alright. Okay. Well, these 2 boxes surround the 3 can be a 3, so 1 box left for the 3 in this triple box should be there, and I've eliminated here the 2, so the 2 goes there. And 1 box left in this triple box for number 1. I think this box should be a 3, because it can be 1, can be 2, should be a 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 3 is connected with that box, should be also 3. And 1 box left in this area for number 2. These 2 boxes can be a 2, so 1 box left for 2 in this area should be there. Then these 2 boxes surround the 2 can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this area should be there. 3 and 5, so 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 5. 3 and 5, we have a 3 there, no 3 there, 3 should be here. 5 goes there, 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 5, we have a 5 there, no 5 there, 5 should be here, no 1 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and 5, we have a 5 there, no 5 there, 5 should be here, and 4 goes there. These 2 boxes surround the 5 can be 5, so 1 box left for the 5 in this area should be there. Then, let me see. This box can be a 3. This box can be a 5. So the 3 and 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 3 and 5, 3 and 5. So 1 digit left in this area. One number 2 is connected with that box. Should be also 2. And it's also connected with that box. Should be also a 2. Alright. Then. Then. This box, I think this box should be a 4, because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, should be a 4, can be a 5. Yes, definitely 4. 2 numbers left in this area. For numbers 2 and 3, we have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be in, 2 goes there. Alright, then, yeah, this box can be 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. That means that that box cannot be a 1 anymore. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 1 is supposed to be here, and the 4 goes here. And 1 box left in this area for number 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Then let me see. These 2 boxes can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. I think this box should be a 2 because it should be 1. Should be a 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 2. These 2 boxes can be 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. Let me think. 4, 5. Well, we need to go up. 2 numbers left in this area from us, 3 and 2. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and 3 goes there. This box can be a 3. So 3 could be here, could be there. This box can be a 5. So the 5 could be here, could be there. This box can be a 5. So the 5 goes together with the 3 as a pair. So I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with the 5. Well, this box cannot be a 5 anymore. If I place a 5 here, I cannot fill any 5 in one of those 2 boxes. So there's not the solution to place the 5 there. The only place left the 5 should be here. So 2 numbers left for numbers 3 and 4. 3 and 4, well, I cannot place the 3 here because we have a double 3 there. 3 should be here and the 4 goes there. So 1 digit left in this area for number 4. Alright. 3 and a 5. 3 and a 5. We already have a 3 there. So this box can be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3. This box should be a 5. 3 and a 5. We have a 5 now. So no 5 there. 5 should be here and a 3 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this area. Should be there. And if eliminated here the 1. So the 1 goes there. So 1 digit left in this area for number 5. These 2 boxes can be 3. That box can be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this area. Should be there. And if eliminated here the 1. So the 1 goes there. 2 numbers left for numbers 2 and 5. 2 and 5. Alright. I think this box should be a 4. Because it can be a 1. We have a 1 in the same area. Can it be a 2? We have a double 2 there. Can it be a 3? Should be a 4. Can it be a 5? We have a double 5 there. Yeah. Definitely a 4. I think this box should be 5 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yeah, definitely a 5. 2 and a 5. We have a 5 now, so no 5 there. 5 should be here and the 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for us, 3 and 2. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here. 3 goes there. This box can be 2, that box can be 2, so 1 box left for 2 in this area. Should be there, and if eliminated here the 1, so the 1 goes there. So 1 digit left in this area for number 5. Finish in 13 minutes. Well, told you. Should be a 0 stars. I'm faster than 13 minutes with 16 printed digits. Well, I'm pleased with time, and I like this one. Yes, I will do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in the evening with other puzzles in additional. Until then, bye-bye for now.